Hi everyone. Today I want to explain you the code and the part of the code I wrote for our project, and you can find the link to our project below in the comments. Let's understand how the structure works. Overall, you see one thing visualized, but it is different parts connected together. So I did the HTML and CSS part, and I also tried to connect different files together, and I did the research for finding the recipes and for gathering the whole information needed. So today I want to explain you the HTML structure and what elements you should use to connect, and see what you see now in our page. And I want you to understand the structure of web page better, because it might seem easier, but practice shows that there are some key parts to care about. For example, when you connect Canvas with HTML, you should be very careful to put the margins and do structure everything so that your canvas didn't write above everything and make everything unseen. So let's look behind the screen and see how to structure your code properly. Now you see the HTML structure, you see the HTML element, you see many elements: head, title, script, link, body, header, canvas. And these elements are used in order your computer to know what type of information are you giving and how you want it to visualize it. So you might think that the structure is the same for all type of HTMLs, but just think that no two pages, web pages, look similar. So the structure is different. In order your computer to know that you are giving it a title, you should give a name title and put the element title together. And if you write your text in a body, you should specify that it's the body. When you connect JavaScript or Canvas, you should give a script or Canvas element and give it a source, so it goes and searches for the file by that name, and put every type of the files together in one document in order your program to be structured and planned. And you can also see here that I wrote other HTML references, HTML file names, because when I click on service button or about button, it goes to different page and visualizes the services and about in different HTML form. Here you can see the search button I created, the space and the input. I specialized that the input will be the text, and I also give it an ID so that I can give reference to the search button in my JavaScript, and my JavaScript function will take this input. So here you can see the CSS page. This is the style written in order my computer to visualize the type of element in a way I want. For example, I give here a text align, border, I set margins and structure everything. Imagine like your HTML is a piece of paper and you choose where to put the information you want. You put the type and you choose the colors for writing. You choose different radiuses and different parameters for it. There is a specific way you should define in order your CSS to understand it properly, but the styling is not that difficult. It's all about knowing the keywords and about knowing what element you should search for. As you can see, I also have different HTML pages, because when you click about or you click services, it goes to different HTML source. So these HTML files are also referenced in the main HTML, and this all is connected together in order to work as one unit. So you saw the basic structure of HTML and how we connected the different files together. So my advice is to you, if you want to do a better web page design and connect everything together better, just do a lot of practice.